Selena Gomez has her single go #1, well, almost. If only Justin Bieber wasn't in her way. Plus, she actually reveals why she posed naked for her new album cover and strikes back at the haters who called her fat. Hey guys, it's Chloe for HollywoodLife.com. And okay, you might remember Selena Gomez posted this bikini photo some months ago and hashtagged it, "There's more to love." Well, now Selena has gone on Ryan Seacrest's radio show and revealed that people were fat shaming her, and that photo was basically her response.
And the reason why I did that is because I didn't want them to win, because then the next day it wasn't about how I gained weight, it was about how I embraced it, and that's just kind of my approach.
Selena is such a great role model, and by the way, let's also mention that her single Good For You is her first to hit #1 on the Billboard pop charts. Congrats to you, we know how hard you worked. But remember, we told you guys that she and Justin would be releasing albums around the same time, and yes, Justin's single did pass Selena's right away. Justin is #1 worldwide on Spotify and ahead of her on the overall Billboard Hot 100 charts, so this could be a little awkward, or maybe awesome. We do hear that Selena loves Justin's single and is really, really proud of him. But I have to hear from you guys on this one. So click on me on your desktop or down here below on your mobile device to subscribe and let me know, whose single do you like better, Justin's or Selena's?